Hi guys, how are you? Welcome or welcome back. We're actually going to get into the IPSY mystery box. I've had this for a few days. I've been under the weather and you might still hear it in me, but I did want to jump in. Also, can we get into the skin? Listen, okay, I tried out, if you go back and look at my last video, Merit Beauty, I was lucky for them to send it to me, and amazing, just to say the least. And there's no makeup days, summer days, spring days coming up. This natural glow, the fact that it covered up these deep set circles, which you can still see slightly, but trust me when I say they were deep set. I've been sick, and I even did a slight eye look with just 2 shades and a highlighter. This is their signature look. It just dropped the 22nd of February. Check it out, get into it. But what we're going to get into today is the IPSY mystery box. Now, it came like this. I do have this panel down. I have not looked at all. This has my address on it, hence why I have it down. But we are going to get into it. I am excited. I do love me some IPSY. I almost took you guys completely down with me a second ago. So it does come bubble wrapped like this with lots of bubble wrap. Sorry about the noise, guys. All right, and what I see right here is the mystery box itself. And then I guess maybe what I opened, or maybe even a sample. So this is a really tiny sample. I can't really see what it's called. Maybe you can read it right here. This is really cute and a good color. I'm all about my lips, like my color, but better type of thing. This is the IPSY Royalty Vitamin C Cream. I've never tried any of their skincare, including their primer, actually. I was supposed to have it sent to me in IPSY, and it was not. And then right here is a mascara I believe I got for free with a promo code. So we're going to put this all down, and we're going to get into the box. Give me 1 second. This has to actually be cut open and then ripped. One moment, guys. If only you just saw the fight that I just had with this box trying to get this open. But nonetheless, it doesn't have my address, so I can actually hold it this way if I can hold it. So we're going to open her up. And again, we have the thank you for shopping. Oh, you're telling me I could have dripped that whole thing off. That's cute. Thank you for shopping with IPSY. We love some IPSY. And this is what it looks like inside. We're just going to grab one by one and go through it. I'm not sure if it's going to have an actual card or breakdown. It doesn't look like it. But this is the blush in Chameleon. I'm assuming maybe it looks different colors on, maybe like a mauve, but also an orangey color. Let's try. Why do I feel like I have this color, which is going to freak me out? Is it the same color? Oh my gosh, I do. I do have this. So this is going to go away for a future giveaway. I'm not going to open this up. What I'm going to do is put this back in the box. I'm going to open the one I have up, give it a swirl on my finger here, and forgive all of this that I have right here. We're just going to put it right here. That's actually the perfect color with like the rest of the looks I have got going on right now. So I have this, so that's odd. I don't have a lot of IPSY, and the fact that the first thing I pulled out is interesting that I have that. So this is the Lotus collection. This is beautiful. So they're doing a promo for the Lotus collection if you're interested. Love the colors and the palette, and their highlighters are always amazing. So the next thing I see here is the Cleanse Off wipes. Now, I'm not a big wipe person. You might have heard me say that before. It's bad for the environment. These might be biodegradable, but I don't feel that I think it would say it. Either which way, wipes are always great to have when you're on camera. I need to wipe things off quickly, although I would not repurchase them because I'm not a big fan of what they do for the environment. The next thing I have in here, I think I have this too, is Rodeo Drive. This is the end all be all, right? Like, this is the big one from IPSY. This is a very well-known and loved highlighter. If you give me one moment, I'm going to check and see if I do still have. So this is kind of crazy. I actually do have this as well. So we did just get this in, I think it was Boxy Luxe last time back, and I do have it right here. But what's weird to me is, I don't know, do they look exactly the same? Yeah, I guess they do. For some reason, I was thinking they didn't look exactly the same. So this will likely go into a giveaway as well. So that's wild. 2 for the both things that I have so far gotten makeup wise. I have, which kind of stinks, but listen, happens sometimes. Okay, so they also sent a hand sanitizer, which is nice for everything going on, but not exactly something I would have loved in a mystery bag from Ofra, considering I'm thinking like mostly makeup with a tad of skincare. So far, I'm really striking out right now, but hey, things are happening. Things are happening. All right, guys, so the next thing I have is their long-lasting lip color. This is definitely a more winter color. It is the color Treasure. Let's check it out. Oh, it's a beautiful, actually, you could definitely probably wear the spring too. Let's see actually how it looks when you place it. Oh no, never mind. I mean, you could definitely pull it off. It's definitely more of a fall color, but I do like it. So let me get my, it's pretty. Does it have like a metallic to it? I'm going to kind of blur it out right now. Yeah, it definitely has like a metallic look to it, right, guys? Like, am I crazy? So they have long-lasting liquid lipsticks that have like a metallic look to it, unless maybe it just hasn't fully... I'm unsure is what I'm going with right now. I'm unsure what's happening. I'm not sure how I feel about the color as we're going into spring. I think they could have possibly thrown some spring colors in. But hey, again, mystery box, you can't really complain. The next thing I have, let's see, is, oh yay, a palette. I'm excited and trying to rub this on my finger somewhere so it doesn't get everywhere. You guys can't tell, right? So this, I'm excited. Okay, this is their palette. It's called the Glitch palette. There's a lot of like bright, cool, iridescent colors on it. This is the back of it. It says 2000. Okay, this is the Glitch palette. All shimmers, it seems like. All shimmers and, yep, all shimmers. So it's a 9-pan palette. Let's dive into some colors right here. Let's see. Let's go into, let's try this blue. It is gorge. And we'll try this like middle purple color. We shall try this really pretty, I'm not sure, like a champagne color or silver brown champagne color. And then let's try this green right here. Now these are the colors and what they look like here. I have 0 room, so what we're just going to do is go here. So this is one, wow. One swipe, one swipe, one swipe, and one swipe. Okay, so I don't, I'm not like head over heels with it. I also obviously don't despise it at all. I love Ofra, so I'm happy to have this. As for the rest of everything else, I kind of struck out. Not Ofra's fault. When I say like I really don't have much, I have like a palette of brush highlight. I have that large palette. I have the one that Boxy sent last year around the holiday time. Another blush. And one highlighter, I think. So out of all of the things, and one lipstick. Out of all of the things I could have gotten, kind of struck out. But again, that's not their fault. But what did you guys get? Did we get the same boxes? Did anybody get anything different? Were they all different? I haven't had a chance to look anybody's stuff right yet. So let me know what's going on out there. Also, let me know how you guys are doing. I'm sending you guys all light and love. I will be catching up with you soon with medical stuff and other things that we need to talk about. So I will see you guys really soon. Boxy should be in next. So see you on the next time. Love you all. Have a wonderful week.